This is the Namba Topaz Sunglasses from Shinzo Tamura, a premium sunglasses brand that is made in Osaka, Japan. It has that Wellington style frame that gives that classic silhouette, made with premium polarized metallics that block 99% of harmful UV rays to keep your eyes healthy. It has non-slip nose pads to provide perfect fit and comfort. It's ultra lightweight and weighs about 20 grams, and the frame material is made of durable nylon. Priced for about $260, and this sunglasses was straight coming from Japan. So that's the basic description that I got from these sunglasses, and let me share with you my initial impression and final thoughts about this Shinzo Tamura sunglasses. Before we start, hi, my name is Darryl Arante, and for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome, and for those of you who have been watching me, welcome back, and thank you for continued support. I do honest product reviews and produce men's fashion tough stuff. So if you like what I do here, please like, subscribe, and share my video as it will help me out to continue this journey. Well, that's out of the way. So let's talk about my first impression about this Namba Topaz sunglasses. I am already impressed with the package that it came with. It got layers of stuff upon unboxing it. Opening it, it came with a pamphlet that included information about the company, instruction on how to adjust and how to take care of the sunglasses, and the warranty information. Below is a sunglasses case, and when you open it, the sunglasses are in there along with the lens wipe. So far so good, and when I pick up the sunglasses, it's the lightest sunglasses I've ever owned. Now, if you're like me, you would think it's clumsy or fake because it is so freaking lightweight. And let's be honest, we often associate lightweight equals to being cheap. But this is not the case from Shinzo Tamura Sunglasses. As I mentioned, that the frame is made with durable nylon. You can see that it is flexible. Inside the frame, you can see all the lettering, like where it's made, the brand name, and the lens is made. As I wore the sunglasses, it's amazing how natural the lenses are. Like, I see the sky blue, but it's not interfering with my vision that much. Meaning it's not your typical sunglasses where it would darken your vision. Like I could wear this inside, like right now, without the problem seeing stuff. I hope that it makes sense, but I tried to wear this from outside while walking my dog, and everything seems pleasant with my view. I can also tell it is a polarized lens because I could see weird rainbow colors when I look at my phone screen or some other digital stuff. Again, it's ultra lightweight. It's clear. It is definitely cool looking glasses. Am I already impressed? Heck yeah. Look, when it comes to comfort and fit, you see me rocking my head back and forth, doing crazy stuff, and these sunglasses won't come off. So that's a plus for me because lots of my sunglasses would slip and fall off if I did that. Anyways, I think you already know my final verdict about this Shinzo Tamura Namba Topaz sunglasses. But to finalize it, I think this is a great investment piece. For $260, you are paying for design, durability, comfort, and a style that won't fade with trends. It is so freaking versatile that you can literally rock this everywhere, from walking, casual day out, or even inside the office. Again, I am wearing this inside right now and I could see my script. So if you're someone who values craftsmanship, who wants eyewear that's both functional and fashion forward, these sunglasses are for you. They protect your eyes, sharpen your vision, and honestly, make you look like the main character in your own story. And let's be real, who doesn't want that? Well, folks, that's my full honest review of the Namba Topaz sunglasses from Shinzo Tamura. I do have the links down below for you to purchase them if you want it. How about you? Do you own a pair from this brand? If not, what's your go-to sunglasses brand? Comment below and let me know. As always, you'll stay safe, stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.